go a good race, y'all. Okay. There goes Lil Sean. Okay. We got Lil Sean, 14 years old. I don't know if he got the nitrous on or not. Let me see. Oh yeah, he's turning that juice on. Ooh wee. Turning that juice. Okay, where y'all going? 14 years old, he's gonna run it. Hey, juice to juice, this gonna be a good race too. See. Oh, he ran him down. He ran him down, y'all. Lil Sean ran him down, y'all. Golly. Oh man, cut a light for Lil Sean and ran him down, y'all. Y'all make sure to come to my YouTube channel. Yeah, dude, I always watch your channel, man. I'm a really big fan of yours. I want you to see if you can record my car one time for the one time. I love it when you say that, man. I just really love it. TikTok. Attention in the pits. You got about 15 minutes. And we're gonna go ahead and spray the track. You guys can go ahead and come to the concession stand, and we're gonna have free ice cream. That's right, guys, you guessed it. Free ice cream. You better go ahead and get it while supplies last.
I want 600 on it.
Yo, one.
Top in. Say, man.
Damn. Fuck the butterflies up. Ooh wee.
Just told me he got a 500 or 600 on it. We got Earl the Pearl all around the world, y'all. Cause I could have brought the Caprice and hugged him out. Probably would have said, "No, dude, I seen your freaking YouTube channel." Hey, look out, you on my YouTube channel? You is? You would have raced me today? Oh. Here go a good race, y'all. Okay. Here goes Lil Sean. Okay. We got Lil Sean, 14 years old. I don't know if he got the nitrous on or not. Let me see. Oh yeah, he's turning that juice on. Ooh wee. Turning that juice. Okay, where y'all going? 14 years old, he's gonna run it. Hey, juice to juice, this gonna be a good race too. Oh, he ran him down. He ran him down, y'all. Lil Sean ran him down, y'all. Golly. Old man cut a light for Lil Sean and ran him down, y'all. Y'all make sure to come to my YouTube channel.
What did you say?
Everybody go, shout out, everybody go follow, look out, racing.
Say, look at it, he just said, Ralph just told me he got a 500 or 600 on it. What did you say?
Go or blow.
Yeah.
Say, Ralph got a 500.
Only two things gonna happen when you trying to rifle, period.
I don't know. They talking about he got 500 shot. They getting that glue down.
Say, Ralph got a 500.
I don't think he got 500, but whatever he got in that bitch is go or blow.
Ooh wee.
Ralph just told me he got a 500 or 600 on it.